Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Bookmap to ICICIDirect. So the first step that we are going to do is we go right here to settings and then manage plugins. Then we scroll down where we will find right here ICICIDirect. Right now if I'm holding my mouse right here on this nice software, you see that we are not having the correct bookmap version and the plugin is not allowed by your license. So there are two things what you need to do is you need to upgrade your license on Bookmap and then download a different version. So first do that, and then when you did that, go back, click here on install. After that, we click this on the cross, connections, configure, and then we do add connection, and then you can find it right here in the list. So right now I do something different, just an example. So we do Bybit, then we click right here on OK, and then if you go to connections and enable Bybit right here, you see that he's connecting Bybit, and if I'm going right here to the bottom, you see that Bybit is connected. This is what you need to do, but then with ICICIDirect. So upgrade your license, download the great version for that, and then it works. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.